time was just gone past 6 in the evening. Electronic devices may not be used if they are within reach for calls, messaging, and internet access. Please keep your seatbelt fastened and remain seated until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Take all the personal belongings with you, check in the seat pocket, underneath the seat, and in the overhead locker. Take care when opening the overhead locker in case anything falls out. Smoking is still not permitted until you reach the designated smoking area. Did you know that we also offer a unbeatable price guarantee for package holidays? Whether you're after city break or beach holiday, we've got thousands of hand-picked hotels for you to choose from. Simply search easyJet Holidays and start planning your next getaway. On behalf of the captain, the first officer, and your entire Luton-based crew, we thank you for flying with us. We look forward to welcome you again on board very soon.
Thank you very much for all your hard work today. Please disarm doors for arrival.